What is going on, YouTube? Hey, buddy. It is a beautiful May morning, and I just want to give you guys the opportunity to take a look at the M3 one last time with its 19s on. That's right, it is finally time to get new wheels on this bitch. So, wheels are behind me. Anyone want to take a guess as to what they are? I am dropping a size 18s. And if you're thinking they're Apex Arc 8s, you're kind of wrong, because I have acquired a set of Apex EC7s. These are 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset. Picked these up off one of my E46 M3 Toronto buddies. And there's nothing wrong with the Arc 8s. I just think they're a little played out right now. So I'm trying to go for something a little different. So I got the EC7s. They are on RS4s, Hankook RS4s right now, with not much tread left. So we'll see how long I can last with these. But of course, to run these, you do need a fair amount of negative camber up front. I think you need around 3 degrees negative camber up front. So I did have to get some ground control camber plates installed. So right now they're set at like 1 degree negative camber. So I'm gonna see if I can adjust it myself. Then hopefully I can swap these wheels out and show you what they look like. So let's get started.
2 days later.
Alright, are we ready, boys and girls? So adjusting the camber took a bit longer than expected. I actually had to take it to an alignment shop to adjust the camber, but the end result is absolutely fantastic. Alright, are we ready? Boom. So there she sits, and I gotta say, the EC7s, they're a slept-on wheel. They look absolutely amazing. So again, 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset, running -3 camber up front. Just show you the camber real quick. But yeah, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I just washed the car. For once, May is actually being quite cooperative here in Canada, so I decided why not wash it. But yeah, man, I actually can't get enough of how it looks. The Arc 8s, CSL's great wheels, but damn. Can't beat a meaty fitment. So again, these are Hankook RS4s, 265s all around. But yeah, boys and girls, let me know what you think. I'm quite pleased with it. Hope you guys are too. And thanks for sticking out and being patient with me. Catch you on the next one.